Oh, you know what? It would have made way more sense to do that first.
When I installed this yesterday, I really struggled to get this strap to close around and actually be able to put that little bolt in through there while holding it. Pro tip. We're going to put this connector pipe onto the manifold, making sure we've got that collar in place first. A little bit more silicone spray. Because this is stainless steel, we just want a bit of silicone spray in there to stop those bolts from binding when you're tightening them up. So on the rubber strap that you need to put on this mounting bracket, there's a letter, and you want to line up that strap with the side that the letter's on. We're going to put a little bit of silicone spray on this just so that it slides in and moves around more easily. It's actually, once you realize how this lines up, it's actually quite easy, and it's going to hold in place. And that's ready to go on the muffler. Right, so we get this bracket, and the bracket just fits there. So those are the longer bolts with nylock nuts. That's what's going to hold the bracket in place. And then you've got a shorter bolt. Now this may be different for your specific make and model of bike. Next we want to line up where the strap goes so that it's in place for when we want to bolt everything together. So we're going to place strap here and work out where this metal strap needs to be. Just eyeballing that. I'm going to go with here and just get that loosely threaded on there. We want to be able to still move it if we need to. Also making sure that the strap is on the outside of the bracket. We're going to put some of this exhaust sealant on the inside here. So I've just sprayed some silicone spray around the inside of this rubber gasket just to allow us to be able to move things around a bit more easily. That's on there. These bolts in. And then, because we can now move that, we can really get that into the position that we want. Happy with that. It's nice and snug. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out the comparison video between the stock exhaust and the slip-on, and I'll see you in the next one.